Hello, and welcome to another episode of Hume DIY. I'm Chris, and in today's video, we'll be making a sandwich. That's right, a great project for all beginners or even expert builders. A sandwich is a great thing to make. Now, there's a special ingredient that I put in this sandwich, so make sure you stick around and subscribe for more content like this. As you see here, I have all my ingredients on the table, and we'll be taking this and making this, an amazing sandwich. Well, let's stop the chatting and let's get into the video. Come on.
Yeah, feature presentation. Fired up the Pistons for the Prince, I feel like Tayshaun. Business trips to Hollywood, I don't do no vacation. When the drop go platinum, I'ma hit the hesitation. Anyone who doubted.
Now when you're
Presentation. Fired up the Pistons for the Prince, I feel like Tayshaun. Business trips to Hollywood, I don't do no vacation. When the drop go platinum.
Now, when you're starting out making a sandwich, you want to keep in mind that there's supply chain issues, so things are going to be a little bit more pricey and take a little bit longer to get in. So you're going to order materials early and order enough so you don't have to be ordering more. One of the most important things is your bread. You want quality bread because you taste it on both sides. Yum, yum, yum. Don't skimp out and get just the nasty stuff. You know, use that extra dollar to go a little bit further, but you want to get 2 nice pieces of bread. And then you want to grab your meat, alright? I got my meat at the local hardware store for 10% off. You can probably find it at any big box store that's near you, like Home Depot or Lowe's. You're going to want to layer the sandwich. You want to pick out pieces and just layer it on. Alright, and next up we got the cheddar cheese. Now this is Canadian cheddar aged over 1,000 days. It's high quality. Go with something a little bit low if you're on a budget. And then you're going to grab your proper tools, right? Like your knife. And your cutting board here. I made this cutting board out of walnut and cedar, and it took me about 20 minutes to just cut it all up and sand it. It looked nice. You can do it too. Go check out my video. Link in the description in the corner over there. It's amazing. So let's cut the cheese. Let's grab that package and open it up. Grab your knife. And then start cutting nice and thin slices. Or if you like thick ones, that's great, but you might need to heat it up a little bit more to melt it. And then lay it on your bread, just like that. Nice. And then, for the best part, toasting it. While we let that toast, let me tell you about today's sponsors, and that is SimpliSafe. Alright. Kick it over to Jimmy. Alright there, you don't want to, if you want to protect your doors, you want to get locked and secure, so get SimpliSafe. Alright, back to you, mister. Alrighty, the bread is about done and perfected, but first, a moment from our sponsors, Squarespace. Squarespace lets you build websites, so build a website today. Get 1% off with my code, get1percentoff.com. Let's go. Alright, back to the video. Alrighty, the next step here is the saucing, alright? This is very important, alright? Don't skip on the sauce. You want to make sure you get the right sauce for the right bread, or else it's going to turn out really bad and ruin your project. And then you're going to be down and out. So don't do that. Make sure you get this. First off, you got the sriracha. You just spread on like that. Next, you got this. My custom barbecue sauce. That's right. This is perfect for any project that you have. Any DIY beginner should use it because it's nice. It's the best product out there. You're just gonna dab it on there. Just a couple dabs. Perfect. Now the last part in here is something my mother always told me to do, and that's to eat some greens. Now this is kind of brown and black, but it's the best thing that I had. And if you're a DIYer, you should learn the same thing, to just use what you have. You don't always have to go and spend money. You don't always have to go and buy the best tools, you know, just use what you have. And so that's what I'm doing here. Just using an old avocado that I have. So hopefully it doesn't taste like straight buns. Got some stuff in there. Alright. That's right, kettle potato chips is the secret ingredient of today's video. This will make your project stand out far above all the others. You can make double your money worth it in double less the time. And that about sums this up. Let me show you what I did. Alrighty, that about sums up this video. After making tons of these and selling them for profit, I learned that you should always put the sauce between the cheese and the meat, never anywhere else, okay? If you love it, but you would try something different because I did it wrong, make sure you let me know in the comments because I need to know exactly what I did wrong. So, thank y'all for stopping by. I'm Chris, and this is Hume DIY. I will catch y'all in the next episode. See y'all later. Make sure you subscribe and go watch more videos. Good day. Actually, I'm gonna eat this. But yeah, follow me. I actually make DIY videos. I'm always serious in them, so subscribe if you like seriousness.
House was so quiet I could hear my heartbeat. But then I heard a rumble. I wondered, oh, could this be?